Hello, all you lovely people. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. So, today is a video of me unboxing my Invisaligns. Yes, I've got my Invisaligns today, and today is the first day of me using my Invisalign. And can you make out that I am wearing my Invisaligns right now while I'm talking to you? So it is that invisible. अगर आप बहुत पास से देखेंगे then you might feel a little pimples on my teeth. That are the composite attachments that have been given. Otherwise ये बिल्कुल clear हैं. You cannot make out from a little distance also that I am wearing Invisaligners. Invisalign is a brand. It is a world-known brand of clear aligners. In fact, one amongst the first in this category. So, for those who know me professionally, they know that I am a periodontist myself. But with Invisaligns, if even I want to order Invisalign, they won't send it to me. They need a orthodontist only to send their products, and the orthodontist has a complete say in the treatment plan. So, however they want to modulate according to their expertise, they do it. So guys, this is how I have received this bag of Invisalign, and let's just open it and see what's inside this. So first of all, we have this user manual, and in this user manual there are all the instructions, precautions, etc. given, in which we have to, like, the manner in which we have to use the Invisalign. So this is a user manual. Then the second thing that we have got in here is, and this is the signature logo of Invisalign, and this is a very pretty box in which the case is present inside. So let's open it. So it's written made to move, so made to move your teeth. And also this is the signature case. So let's open the case and see how it looks from inside. So this is how it looks from inside. Here we can keep our aligners that we are using. So जो भी ट्रे अभी हम यूज़ कर रहे हैं वो हम इसके अंदर रख सकते हैं वॉश करने के बाद. एंड इट इज़ वेरी इजी टू कैरी ऑल्सो, वेरी स्लीक ऑल्सो. सो इसे लेकर कहीं भी जा सकते हैं. लुक्स वेरी फैंसी. So maybe this is why I have like selected Invisalign, because it's like it's more of a brand basically. So it's more of a brand value, and also they deliver quality, of course, but yes, the brand value, it's like buying an iPhone. So also I have something inside this case, and let's open it. So here is again a user manual, a flyer kind of user manual, in which instructions are being given how to use it, how to like place the liner, how to remove the liner, etc. And let's move ahead and see what else is inside this bag. So next on we have these aligners. So right now my orthodontist has given me 4 aligners, and since my case is a complex one, I am to be using around 37-38 aligner trays, and these are like 3 of them and one I am wearing, which I hope you cannot make out while I am even speaking that I am wearing a Invisalign. So basically these 4 trays are given to me. They have to be used 15 days per tray. तो ऐसा मेरे ऑर्थोडोंटिस्ट ने मुझे बताया है कि 15 दिन एक ट्रे यूज़ करनी है. दैट विल कम्प्लीटली डिपेंड ऑन हाउ योर ऑर्थोडोंटिस्ट वांट यू टू यूज़ द ट्रेज. मे बी यू कैन लाइक इन योर केस मे बी यू वुड बी यूजिंग इट फॉर 7 days per tray, or like 10 days per tray, or 15 days per tray. That completely depends upon your case and upon your doctor, how he or she suggests you to wear the aligners. So right now they have given me these 4 sets of aligners, and when I'll get more, I'll like update you. So this is all that is present in the bag. और ये है. Then one more thing I wanted to share with you guys is I am wearing these aligner trays. Like, this is my first tray and I am using it since 7 to 8 आवर्स नाउ। उसके बीच मैंने एक बार इन्हें रिमूव करके लंच कर लिया, देन एक बार इन्हें रिमूव करके डिनर भी कर लिया है। मेरे को थोड़ी सी हैवीनेस फील हो रही है मेरी नोज़ की साइड पे और मेरी आई में, क्योंकि मेरा इम्पैक्टेड कनाइन है और ये काफ़ी हाई है, तो मे बी उस पर प्रेशर पड़ रहा है, दैट इज़ वाई। अदरवाइज कोई भी डिस्कम्फर्ट अभी तक नहीं है। और बोलने में भी थोड़ा सा मेरे को टंग थ्रस्टिंग की हैबिट तो है ही, थोड़ा सा आपको टाइम लगेगा एक्लेमेटाइज होने में इनके साथ में, लेकिन स्टिल देयर इज़ नो लिस्पिंग काइंड ऑफ थिंग कमिंग वाइल आई एम स्पीकिंग। ये जैसा मैं बोल रही हूँ ऐसा ही मैं बोलती हूँ। सो मे बी इट विल इम्प्रूव विथ टाइम, बिकॉज इससे टंग थ्रस्टिंग भी थोड़ी कम हो जाएगी, क्योंकि मेरी लिप आगे टंग मेरी आगे नहीं आ पाएगी बिकॉज ऑफ दीज ट्रेज present inside my mouth. And also if you are willing to shed some kgs, then this is one of the best thing you can do for yourself, because इनको बार बार आप निकाल नहीं सकते हैं, so your mid meal snacking will reduce to a large extent. And for a person like me जो पूरा दिन कुछ ना कुछ खाता रहता है, I am definitely going to shed some kgs, guys. So stay tuned in my journey. Let's see how it unfolds. Till now, with God's grace, everything is fine. Let's see how everything unfolds in future. I will document everything for you. If you like this video and if you are willing to see my journey ahead, do drop down a comment and give a thumbs up on this video. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, first go and subscribe to my channel. This will motivate me to make further videos on this topic for you. So stay tuned, stay happy, and bye bye.